Hello and welcome to the video. My name's Stuart. I am a luxury watch dealer who buys and sells watches, and today I have a very special watch to show you. Let's have a look and see what's in the box. The Audemars Piguet. These AP boxes are absolutely beautiful, beautiful wood grain. Let's give it an open up, see what's inside. We have here the Royal Oak. This was first made by AP in 1972. This one here is, however, 2024 model. But yeah, 1972, Gerald Genta, the famous watch designer who also designed the Nautilus. What makes this piece fairly unique is it is a 38mm Royal Oak. But as you know, the Royal Oak, it actually wears quite big. So in a lot of different watches, this might be just too small, 38mm, but with the Royal Oak and with these extra pushers, it just seems to wear a little bit bigger. And on my 7-inch wrists, I'll put it on for you guys, I can just about get away with it. Let's put it on. So this, I would say, is it's quite a good unisex watch because it's perfect for the guy who has the smaller wrist or the lady who has the larger wrist. If you're a guy and you've got slightly smaller wrists, definitely consider looking at a 38mm Royal Oak. The reason why I bought this one is basically I bought this from AP, and it was basically what they were willing to sell me. As you know, it's quite difficult getting a Royal Oak from the authorised dealer. This was what they were willing to sell me, but I was, excited, and I've been relatively happy with it. But if I am going to be brutally honest, I would prefer a bigger one. It is a tiny bit on the smaller side for me. When I bought it, I actually had to buy an extra link or two. These links cost like £800 each. I had to buy an extra, I think 1 or 2, just to make the bracelet bigger so it fits on my wrist. Just with AP, little thing, the card is kept under here. So yeah, when you buy it, it comes in a box. The watch comes in this box, and this sits on top of here, and that's where you find the card. So yeah, this is the warranty card. This is what you get when you buy the AP. Put that back in there. Just thought I'd show you that. I remember when I first had the watch, I was looking, where did I put the card? Where did I put the card? I didn't realise. Because with Rolex boxes, obviously, card is in this bit here, but not with AP. Anyway, enough about that. No, this is a beautiful watch. I love the waffle dial, that hash, and the 2 tones of the silver, grey squares. The hour markers, the second hand, that is all white gold, top quality. Unfortunately, the watch doesn't have a open case back. I do love an open case back. This one doesn't, but it's still a very good quality watch. The open case back, something that a lot of the Royal Oaks now have, but not some of the older models. I'm not sure why they didn't do it on this one, if it's because it's an earlier model that they're still producing, or if it's because they don't do it on the smaller sizes. If anyone knows, put the answer in the comments. Yeah, this was the second AP that I bought from Audemars Piguet. I picked this one up in Greece, and I've been happy with it ever since. It is a chronograph. One thing I would also note, I didn't realise, but this shape, the sort of octagon shape that APs have, that is from the original. That was inspired by the old dive helmets and with the polished screws. One thing I do love about Royal Oaks, and it's probably my favourite thing, I really love the bracelet, and how when you roll your wrist it sort of plays with the light, and because each link is kind of flat, and then when you roll your wrist the light just shimmers on it. Yeah, it really is such a beauty. I think it's probably my favourite bracelet out of all the watches for that reason, the way the light bounces off it. You know, this watch is obviously stainless steel. One thing I love about it is just the versatility of it. You can wear it casually, but it also works in formal settings as well. It also has that sporty element to it. You could wear it at a beach club. So yeah, it's really just an all occasion watch. You know, it's the Royal Oak, so it's one of the most popular watch models there is. So yeah, it's really, and it's just because of that beautiful design. Depending on which currency and where you are in the world, this watch retails from around $37,000 to $39,000. So APs are expensive. You could get a full gold Rolex for that money, but the quality is next level. Some people are happy to pay the extra premium for an AP, but yeah, they are. APs are expensive. But let me know your thoughts. Would you buy this Royal Oak? Would you wear it if someone gave it to you? Is your wrist too big for a 38mm? Would you be happy to share this watch with your partner? Let me know what your thoughts are. I like it, but I do wish I had a 41mm Royal Oak, so if I'm being honest. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Guys, I do have another watch for sale. This watch here is a Tudor Pelagos. Just thought I'd quickly show you. If you are interested, feel free to send me a DM. I am going to make this the cheapest one on the internet in the world. If you are interested in getting a Tudor Pelagos, it comes with a silver bracelet as well. Feel free to message me. Comes with a silver bracelet, rubber strap, so very versatile. Great first sort of entry watch. Obviously Tudors are made by Rolex, so the quality is second to none. And yeah, it's if you would like a good deal, then feel free to send me a message on my Instagram. See it here, and I will go ahead and liaise with you. Hopefully, ideally for someone in Dubai, because that's where I'm based. Yeah, thank you. That's all for today's video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. If you do want to see more close-up pictures of the Tudor, feel free to check out my Instagram, where I'll post some close-up pictures there with more details of the watch as well. Also, I still have the Rolex Explorer for sale, cheapest online in the world, 26,000 dirham. If you are interested, feel free to shoot me a message on my Instagram, the Instagram tag here. Great, classic, clean Rolex for someone who perhaps wants to get their first Rolex. This one here is a really, really nice one.